Listen, what if it was a website that would pay you to draw simple lines on your computer screen, okay? Listen, all you need is a computer or your iPhone or your Galaxy phone, and you can do this. And guess what? You can be a teenager, you could be older, you could be at home with no job right now, and this site will pay you hundreds of dollars every single day just to draw simple lines. So the site is basically flaticon.com. Brand new strategy I've been using. I tried it out. It worked. I got paid a couple $100 using it here. And listen, let me show you how easy it is. It's basically Flaticon. It's a website where people leave these emojis here and they just get paid for them, right? Over and over and over again here. Listen, and the great thing about this, step number one, you need to click on the button that says become a contributor. Don't click on pricing. Why? Because you're not going to buy anything. What you're going to do is draw the lines, create this information that I'm going to show you these cool sites for free to do this on. You're going to become a contributor here, okay? So what you want to do is click on become a contributor here. And as you can see here, look, become a contributor and change the world designing icons. That's all you're doing. And listen, as long as you listen to the very end, I'm going to show you some sites. These are some backdoor techniques to make it much easier. You don't have to be an artist. You don't have to be a freaking Picasso. All you need to do is listen, learn, and watch to the very end of the video. Now, if you scroll down here, as you can see here, over 12 million people come to this site and they buy these freaking icons. Well, it was mind-boggling when I discovered this site. And I know what you're thinking, Wesley, are you serious? So you have 12 million people. That means if someone see my icons and download it, I make money? Yes, every single day, right? This company pays you out and it's worldwide, and I love it because it's a very simple, easy way to make money online here. So you can see the simplicity as well, the growth. You have many people that are doing this today here. So the question is, well, okay, Wesley, what do I need to do? Click join now. Do this with me, by the way. Click join now here. And as you can see, I already have an account here myself. And let's do this. Let me sign up with another account because let's start from scratch. Listen, it's up to you on how you want to get started here. Let's make up a username. Let's say billionaire, because that's my goal, right? To be a billionaire. I'm already a millionaire, but maybe your goal is millionaire. So maybe put your username as millionaire 2020 or billionaire 2021, you know, whatever. And let's put your email in here as well. This is not my real email, folks, so don't copy that, okay? Then let's put a password in here. And I'm just showing you basically how to register. You register here. They want me to put more information here. Give me 1 second here. Who's doing this with me? Who's with me? Smash the like button. Let's go! So as we can see here, I don't see any tractors here. Don't you hate these things? Right? If you keep watching some of my videos, I actually have a video that you can type in captchas like this and it will pay you. So make sure you look at that video later here, okay? So let's verify here, register. And as you can see here, CF flow, save here. Okay, great. Now make sure you read these conditions here. It's very important. Read these for yourself so you'll know what you're doing to make sure that you make money today, okay? Then accept the terms here. And then you browse through here. Listen, you don't have to fill out all this crap here. Just keep it simple here. Wesley Virgin here. See, the great thing about it is you can be in Afghanistan, Albania, Africa, Angola, Aruba, Australia, Canada. So the things about this site, and I want you to smash the like button on this because a lot of you have asked me, Wesley, we need things in our country. This covers almost every country on the globe here. So smash the like button because I am reading those comments that you're leaving below. You're asking me questions, and thank you for leaving comments because I look at them to create more easier videos so you can get paid now, okay? So let's say Hungary, I don't know, right? And it's done, right? So here, this is it. You just start uploading. You click the start upload button and bam, you're making money immediately. Now, I know what your question is. Okay, Wesley, well, how do I create these icons? Where do I get it from? Listen, go to the site right here. You're gonna go to iconfinder.com. Go there right now, please. Iconfinder.com. And listen, you don't have to pay for any money. I know you see these starter plans and you don't have to pay a dime. Listen, this is free, and I promise you free videos. So guess what? Listen, it's free. Scroll down to the bottom, right? Go to icon editor, okay? launch the editor on your computer, and you're here. And all you do is you go here and you just create whatever you want. You can make an X here, right? You know, you can make whatever type of icon that you want here. And I'm going to show you at the end of the video how to make appealing icons and where to go to get that done, basically, so you can make sure that you get paid, right? Because I know what you're thinking. Well, are you telling me, Wesley, if I just draw lines and make something weird, people will buy it? Yes, it's crazy. Remember, 12 million people go to that site and they download this stuff every day, and they have subscriptions, and they pay you every single day. Okay, so check it out. So say if I made that, you know, let me delete this. Let's make something cool. Let's make a W right here. And the crazy part is they're gonna pay me for this, right? They're gonna pay me money just to basically draw this little icon here, right? Let's make a W here. Boom. Then you click the button that says download icon, and you can make an SVG vector here. Boom, boom, boom. Right? It's there. You say that to your computer, and then you just upload it to the side here. See how easy that was? Now, how many of you think that you can do this right now? Okay, how many of you can do this? And this is what's great about this site. This is where all your stats are. And this is a brand new account. You got to make sure you upload your valid ID as well, right? And this is where your money comes in. And right here is where you upload all your icons over and over. Now, understand this. Listen, it must be between 20 to 50 icons per pack, okay? I will tell you to make sure you read the terms and conditions on this, but listen, it's so simple to do. So many people are doing this site, and they're downloading, and they're getting paid every single day. You have to see yourself getting paid just by uploading icons over and over again. Okay, now just as promised, I said that I will show you another two so you can just get this done quicker, because you might say, well, Wesley, I don't know about that icon finder site. Is there other ways to create quick icons? Because let me be honest with you. How many of you want to make quick, fast money right now? Smash the like button. Go ahead. I'm waiting. Okay, so I thought about you, okay? I thought about you. You know, you may be younger or older, and you may just want to lay back just like me in my jacuzzi in Miami and just make money online. So check it out. Scroll down to the bottom of this site and go to a link that says Patterns Generator. Now, this is powerful here. Listen close. This is crazy, right? You can basically use these emojis and you can just create the freaking patterns, right? And once you create these patterns here automatically here, right, you can do whatever you want. I would suggest to be very creative. Like, think outside the box here. This is the greatest time for you to get paid for your creativity, and you make hundreds and hundreds of dollars easily online just by clicking this little button here. Look, random pattern here. You can add things, and then once you're done, you hit the download button, and it's just going to download the pattern to your computer. Now, how cool is that? How many of you right now can do that? Listen, millions of people are buying from this website, okay? They're buying these vector icons. I showed you two ways to do it. How many of you believe that you can do this? In the comment section, say, I can do this. How many of you? Okay, I see it. All right, now check it out. Now, I get it. I know some of you right now say, Wesley, I love this and I love you. And guess what? I'm going to smash the like button for you, right? And I'm going to show you some love. But listen, I'm not a technical guy. Is it possible that you can just kind of get me started here? Because, you know, you got a lot of videos, Wes, and, you know, a lot of these techniques, they do work, but I'm just not a technical person. And I'll feel good if you will help me. Check it out. Listen close. How about I do this for you? What I'm going to do for 10 people only, right? Now, listen, I'm going to be honest with you, and I'm going to be very transparent. I charge $10,000 per hour to train anybody when it comes to internet marketing. And guess what? Listen, I deserve that. I spent 10 years doing this, and I came from a broke, black, young man from Houston, Texas, to a very wealthy man that has houses around the world, have cars around the world. But most importantly, I like to helping people like you win as well. Because I'm going to be honest, it's lonely as hell at the top, and I need you up here. Let's go! So listen, this is what I'm going to do for 10 people right now that send me an email that I'm going to leave in the description below under this video, okay? Listen, I'm going to create your Flaticon account for you. You give me your username and password. Just become a contributor, right? And I'm going to upload your first Flaticon icons to it for you. Okay, does that make sense? I'm going to upload your first. Now listen, I'm going to be very honest. This does not guarantee that you're going to make $1 million. This is not a guarantee you're going to make $5,000 this month. What I'm doing here is the technical part of it. Now listen, you can do this yourself, but I know some people just want a boost. He said, Wesley, you're the expert. You know how to do this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure your Flaticon account, we're gonna upload at least 1 to 2 packs to your account, because this is how it works. The more packs that you upload, the more visibility, the more money you make. Check it out. See authors here? These are people that are getting paid every single day just by uploading cool icons. And all you have to do really is just model other people. Now don't copy, but model, right? And people will, this site is gonna just pay you money. But listen, if you want help, we already know, like my team, I have a huge team of people that do this every single day for me, because I have over 14 to 15 companies that have many streams of income that I'll show you in a second. But check it out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure your Flaticon account is legit, it's powerful, it's working. You must have a valid ID, one, and I'm going to upload your first pack, okay? I want you to get visibility. So we're going to upload your first pack in a genre that we know that works for you, okay? Then what you got to do is get busy. Listen, it's up to you as it relates to how much money you make, okay? It's up to you. Some people want to make a little money. Well, you upload a few of these icons. If you want to make a lot of money, upload hundreds. Just keep doing it over and over again. Repetition is the mother of skill. Now listen, who wants this? Usually I'll charge $10,000, but I'm not going to do that for you because you're on YouTube. And I know a lot of you don't have any money. For $99, which is insane, for only 10 people. I have an email address that's below, okay? In that description below. I'm not going to even write it on the screen because I only want serious people that want help. I'm going to create your Flaticon account. I'm going to design the patterns for you on Icon Finder as well. I'm going to make sure that we have a 20 pack uploaded to your account so you can start getting views right then. I want you to just get busy and start uploading over and over again. Now listen, let me say this again. It does not guarantee that you're going to make money. I'm not going to lie to you. You do have to do the work. I'm the guy that's just going to give you a boost so you can be successful faster. Man, hundreds of thousands of people are making money online. You can see it right here. These are people that are making money every single day. Okay, not month, but day, just uploading cool, creative icons here to the website. So listen, under this video, I'm going to leave an email address, okay? As you decide to like and share this video. If I gave you any value, by the way, hey, come here. If I gave you some value, go ahead and bang the like button for me if you don't mind. And I will continue to make more videos like this because there's hundreds of thousands of ways to make money online. And I will keep doing this for you from the top of my heart. And it's free because I want you to do it. Listen, if you want me to do it for you, if you have $99, right, to change the rest of your life. And let me show you something. Let me show you what I had one gentleman do. And this is the technique that I use as well. Let me log into one of my real accounts here. This is one of my merchant processor account, which is the people that pay me based off the things I do online. And let me show you what I've made in the last 21 days, okay? Right now it is Wednesday, October 21st, 10/1/10/21. I've made approximately $61,000, right? Now, how many of you, how would you feel if you were making $61,000? Listen, you'll never make that type of money until you take action. You got to believe in yourself. You got to believe you can do it, and you got to take massive action every day. That's just how it works online. If you want me to help you for $99, the first 10 people that email me right now to potentially start making more money, for me to do all the Flaticon information for you, to upload that pack so you can get started, then we're going to give you the reins to start making money ASAP. The email address is in description below. Okay, under this video, email me and say, do it for me, Flaticon. Okay, do it for me, Flaticon must be in the subject line. Do it for me, Flaticon must be in the subject line when you email me from the email address below. Only 10 people. If you're number 11, if you don't get an email, that means you're too late. Okay, it takes us about 24 hours to make sure to go through all these emails, but we only take 10 people as a part of this. You know, I'm just doing this from the top of my heart. You know, I don't make any money doing this because it takes a lot of money to pay a developer to do it. So I want you to win. All I ask is this. Once you start making money, come back to this video and say, I like Wesley Virgin. I love this guy because he's honest, he's transparent, he's a little crazy. Let's go! But I love him and I'm making money. Hey, I love you so much. Hey, listen, if I gave you any value, smash the like button. Sub to the channel if you want to. You don't have to, but I love you so much. I can't wait to see you soon. I can't wait to see you make all that money right now. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Later, folks.